5 years ago, Excel published a first edition of How to Get a Good Job Over 50. And these days, many people do want to stay in the workforce longer and are looking for satisfying, fulfilling jobs. But there are some real issues. There is real ageism, age discrimination. This book is full of strategies as to how to recognise that age discrimination does exist and how to actually get over it. Rupert, the author, who's in his mid-80s now, has actually been working on getting people jobs all his last 30-40 years, and is still working full-time in actually doing this. This book is becoming the classic in its field. It sold out 2 printings of its first edition. We were amazed as to how much we had to update it in the last 5 years, and it has just been updated very comprehensively. This just isn't a minor retouch, this is a major new edition. And after the effects of COVID, there are many, many more people over 50 looking for a new job, and they want to do it perhaps on their own terms as well, and it guides you towards a gig economy as well as getting a full-time job. Anybody over 50 that's looking at their career is going to want to look at this.